Hey everyone, I just thought I'd do like another quick unplanned tutorial video, and today I'm going to be showing you hopefully a series of tutorials how to make a trainer, a game trainer. And this first step, it's all going to be in Visual C Sharp, and I'm using the Express edition so it doesn't have to be Pro or anything. And I'm just going to show you this time how to detect if a process is running. And we're going to be seeing if Notepad is open while the inject is open, or the train is open, or whatever. You'll see what I mean when we finish it. So let's go new project. This is just another thing I was working on, so I'll just go disregard. We want it to be a Windows Forms application. I don't care what this is called. Name it whatever you like. For some reason, let's place the window over here. I don't know why. Who cares though? Let's drag in a button. Size it up. Oops. You know, you can do whatever you like with this, but I'll just do this quickly. Just say inject. Now, excuse me, because I'm feeling kind of tired for some reason today, so I'm going to be stuffing up my typing a lot. But, you know, it's cool. Let's add a timer as well. And you'd probably want to set the interval to about 100 or something less, not over 100, because that'd just get laggy and annoying. So let's double click on the timer, and it's created a new function for the timer. I'm just going to paste this code into here because I can't be bothered to type it. As I said, I was getting lazy. So let's paste it in there and I'll explain it to you what it does. This goes into System Diagnostics and sort of creates a new variable or array, or I think it's an array or an integer. I can't remember what it is, but creates a new variable which is equal to finding a process named whatever you want to call it right here. Oops. Called Notepad in this case. So you can copy that down if you like. Try and read it. If anyone wants it, I'll just, you know, give it to you. Might put it in the description. I don't know. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go create a simple if statement. So the if myprocess.Length is not equal to 0, which is saying okay, so if there's more than one process running of Notepad, then it's going to say that's cool. You could also, like, so for example, now what we're doing is we're testing whether Notepad is open or not. So if there's more than one process running with Notepad, it's going to run this code here that we're about to write. So we'll write button1.enabled equals true, because you know, the application's running, so we can inject our code. But if it's not, so we're going to do an else. Then we're going to say button1.enabled equals false. Easy. Let's close that if statement. So that should be all cool. What we got to do though is in the form load. So let's go to our form 1 design. We'll double click on form 1 and we'll just type timer1.enabled equals true. Easy. Let's now let's try and see if this works. Let's run it, and as you can see, that button's being disabled. But if we open Notepad, it's being enabled. It's cool stuff. We close Notepad, it's disabled. Very cool. You can of course increase the time. What's it called? The interval of the timer by just changing it over here, but I like to try and be smart and improve my typing skills by going into the form 1 load section and just typing timer1 dot interval equals whatever you want it to be equal to. I'm going to make it equal to 50, and we can stop that there. Alright, let's debug that again. It's disabled really quickly. Open this here. It's enabled really quickly. Disabled really quickly. Cool stuff. Hope to see you next time. And we're probably going to go over reading the amount of characters in Notepad soon. So I'll see you then. And I'll do some GTA tutorials sometime. Probably tomorrow or something like that. Alright, see you later. Have a good day.